I'm just sharing it too. I'm just preparing this dal. So I boiled this dal here. It's split moong, full moong. It is split moong. So it's very good for health. And now I'm just bagaring the rye, jeera, the onion and stuff like that. So I soaked the dal for a little while. Don't have to soak it for long. So now I just don't burn this, and I just put in some smashed garlic as well. So I've got some more garlic and ginger here which I will put. Yeah, I will share with you. So now I'm just seeing the lovely aroma is coming here. So to bagar this nicely, and dal is cooked, so then I'll put the dal afterwards. I put a little bit of small red chili here and some green chili here. So I'll share with you more. Okay. So hi friends, I'm just sharing with you with the dal. So see the dal, don't burn the onion, and I put just a little onion. I didn't put too much of onion. Then you can see all onions in the dal. It's a little bit. So you can put, at this stage you could put ghee also with the oil if you want a nice aroma. I put salt in the dal, and I put some turmeric, and now I've got my spices here, my masala. So I'll put this before putting in the tomatoes, yeah. So now I'm just frying this. See, if you get a nice smell of the bagar, that means it is ready, yeah. Look at that, to get some nice smell of this. The nice smell is coming, see. This has to fry, it shouldn't be raw, the onion shouldn't be raw. Yeah, I'm just frying it now. So the split dal, yeah, my spices are all here that I keep in the airtight container. So now it's time to put in the spice. Yeah, so I just put it. Once I put in the spice, see the spice, it shouldn't burn, yeah. The spice shouldn't burn, and now I'll put in the spices here. The spice was, and I put in the tomatoes inside, so now it's no problem. Because the spice shouldn't burn, yeah? That's why I was just trying to get that. So it's quite a lot of dal. Actually, I can put in all the tomatoes, it won't harm it. So I put all the tomato inside, yeah? So I put it in packets like this. So I'll take cans and I will make it into packets. So I'll depend how much I want to use, yeah? So hi friends, so whenever you are doing vegetarian cooking, whatever spice you put, like the tomatoes and whatever you put, it has to be fried. See, the oil has to come out like this. So you need to have time, to do it. Then only it will turn out. See how I am frying, and now the oil has come out. The tomatoes are not raw, and the onions and the fries are nicely incorporated. So it's nicely fried, yeah. So now only I will put in the dal, yeah, the dal is here. So I just make the fire very fast. Okay. So now it's fried very well, and this is the dal, right? So I put in the dal. I'll clean the kitchen after. So I put in 1 spoon of dal. Yeah. So now I make the fire fast, and I'll pour in the whole thing. Yeah, you can put. This dal, you can also make this dal, put some jaggery and coconut too. It's very good for health. Then you can do that to take out some. Yeah. So I'll just remove some. It's very good to have it like that as well. Just take out some, yeah. Friends, my dal has come out so well. See the texture, the colors come so nice, yeah. So you do it this way, yeah. And I put the spices, normal spice that you use every day, jeera and all powder, dhania powder, whatever you like, whatever masala you like, vegetable spice that you get ready-made masala, yeah. You can add a little bit. Don't add too much. Now I'll give it one boil. I just want to clean up this thing, yeah, a little bit. So I'll give it one boil. So this, dal always spills a little bit. So I'll clean it up. I'll clean it up like, I'll just wait for some time. So once it starts boiling, I'll make it slow. And I put the timer on for 10 minutes. Now I took out some dal. And in this dal, I will put some jaggery and some dried ginger powder and some cardamom and all, and coconut juice, and I'll make it like a what do you say, like a moong kheer, it's good for health, it's good for strengthening, yeah. So you can do that also as well. 2 dishes you can make, yeah. Just sharing with your friends, okay. Yeah, it's come so nice. I just wait to give it one boil, yeah. I'll take a small saucer, so I put my spoons, separate spoons on the saucer here. So I'll keep it separate, yeah. You're sharing with your friends. See, it's started to boil. Once it boils nicely, then I'll make it slow. Only for 10 minutes. It's already cooked. Just check the dal is cooked. You can check it's cooked like that. Take it. See, it's cooked, yeah. It's cooked nicely. So I boiled the dal for some time. It came to a boil, and then I made it slow, and I kept it half closed for about 20, maybe half an hour. But if you soak it overnight or 6 hours, then you don't have to cook it for long, yeah. So now it's started to boil. See, it's started to give a nice heat. So now it's nicely boiled. So I only will make it slow. Now see my temperature. Now it's not going down. Okay, 6 now. Yeah, and now I'll half close it. I put my timer on for 10 minutes. And by the time I'll check my phone time. Close one. So in 10 minutes it should be okay. Yeah, I'll put some coriander on top. Not now, I'll cook it when it's ready. I'll cut and put. Yeah, I'll share with you. So friends, the dal is ready now. See? The dal is actually ready now. It's come so nice. Yeah. See? So now it's ready. So now I'll put in the coriander. I just cut, so I will move it out. Yeah? Move it out. Move it out from the flame, and then you put in the coriander. So I put in the coriander. Yeah, it's come so nice. You can make all this at home. Vegetarian food is so easy to prepare and so healthy. It's very healthy to have vegetarian food. Very healthy to have vegetarian food. So I'm not against anything non-veg. That's your this thing. But when you were saying vegetarian food, you can make this. You can have it for a couple of days as well. You don't have to make it every day. So nice my dal has come. See, sharing with you. Do try my recipe. Yeah. So this is this dal. So I make the this thing. The different dal I put a little bit different with the yellow dal. So I put a little bit ghee here. You have to put pure ghee in the burger, or you put after it. Okay, more later, friends. Love you. Bye for now. I'm just cooking. So I don't know. I got done. Why? So we didn't go to the park. Yeah. More later. Bye.